Politics escalates over the Tirumala Temple Prasadam controversy. On Friday, ex-Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy cancelled his visit to the temple. He cited some security reasons for the same. And he said he received a notice along with the other YSRCP netas that the visit is not permitted and that the program organized by YSRCP does not have the necessary approvals. Jagan launched a scathing attack on the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, saying that state forces tried to block his darshan, accusing the Chief Minister of using the temple to divert from political failures. He's also said that he was threatened with legal action, adding that in his own tenure, 18 ghee tankers were rejected for poor quality. Naidu has refuted Jagan's charge, saying that no notice was served to him. He slammed Jagan for lying over the temple, accused him of hurting the sentiments of devotees.
Without having faith and reverence towards Lord Balaji, what will you do, by having a darshan of the deity? What kind of a drama are you trying to play, Mr. Jagan Reddy? On one hand, you say that you'll have darshan of Lord Balaji and pray for forgiveness for what had happened, for a sin that you have committed. It is an unforgivable sin. Lord Balaji will never forgive you. That is a different aspect. So what will you pray? What are your prayers for if you don't have faith in him?
जिस प्रकार हिंदू धर्म की आस्था और विश्वास को चोट करने के बाद तिरुपति मंदिर जाने का फैसला और बाद में उसको कैंसिल करने का फैसला करके जो ड्रामा उन्होंने किया है, वो उनकी मानसिकता, उनके सोच को दर्शाता है कि वो सब एक ड्रामेबाजी है। ये तिरुपति मंदिर की आस्था का सवाल है। उनके लिए जो उन्होंने हिंदू धर्म की भावनाओं को आहत किया है, ये क्षमा योग्य नहीं है। वो कितने भी क्षमा अनुष्ठान कर लें या ना करें, लेकिन ये जो उन्होंने पाप किया है, इसके लिए उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दी जाए।
Jagan Mohan Reddy's government in the previous 2019 to 2023, when they were in power, as we know that many of the different people, different religions have been appointed in the endowments, like the temples, especially in the TTD board also, and the employees also, who doesn't have any faith on Hindu temples. This is a very hurting situation